In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create Notion templates. If you've ever found yourself wanting to create dynamic and customizable templates in Notion, but weren't quite sure where to start, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through each step to make the process as intuitive and straightforward as possible, helping you harness the power of ChatGPT in conjunction with Notion. Let's begin by discussing how to define the template's purpose. This is really where your journey starts, and it's essential to get it right. The purpose of a template determines the framework and the features you'll need to incorporate. So take some time to think about the problem you're trying to solve or the task you're trying to streamline. Is it a project management board, a habit tracker, or perhaps a goal-setting page? Clearly defining the purpose will give you a solid foundation for building an effective template. It's like the blueprint for a house. Everything else will be built upon this initial vision. Next, we're going to move on to writing a clear prompt. Now that you have a clear idea of what you want your template to accomplish, it's time to articulate that in a way that ChatGPT can understand and work with. The goal here is specificity. For instance, if you're creating a project management template, you might want to include details like timelines, task delegation, or deadlines in your prompt. Being as descriptive as possible will help ChatGPT generate useful and relevant results. Remember, the quality of the output often hinges on the quality of the input, so invest the time to craft a well-thought-out prompt. Once the prompt is ready and raring to go, you'll proceed to generate database structures. This step involves planning how the information will be stored, retrieved, and displayed in Notion. A database structure is essentially the backbone of your template. It's where all the data collected will reside and how it will be organized. When defining this database structure, think about what fields you need. Are you tracking dates, names, progress metrics, or other specific data points? Your choices here will affect how you interact with the data later, so be sure you're capturing all necessary information. With your database structure established, you'll input it into Notion, following the insights and suggestions produced by ChatGPT based on your clear prompt. Ensure that the structure aligns with your initial purpose and retains the flexibility needed for future adjustments as your needs evolve. Ultimately, by following these steps, defining the template's purpose, crafting a clear prompt, and generating comprehensive database structures, you'll be equipped to create robust and versatile Notion templates with the help of ChatGPT. Whether you're organizing personal projects or major business endeavors, this process will empower you to create templates that are not only effective but also uniquely tailored to suit your specific needs. Thank you for tuning in, and happy templating!